well, that didn't work out so good. Now, are you watching? Are you watching? 'Cause really, are you watching? If you're not watching, then I don't know what to tell you. It's a nut is all it is. It's on 2 posts. So these, so screw you, right? If you lose that. Let's see. Oh, okay, I got it off. I'm just gonna pull you loose here. Let's see. I don't know why it went bad. I'm over here looking at it, not sure. It don't look bad. But I'm wondering, because it was just leaking from here. And let's see this. Is that the way it's supposed to look? I'm not too sure. Can you see it? That's what was leaking. Let's see what we can do.